Now we have a question, a very beautiful question that we have to find out the value of iota raised to power uh, minus a iota, sorry, minus a iota raised to power 104. We have to find out the value of minus a raised to power a iota raised to power 104. So for that, what we have to do, we have to find out the value by solving it, by simplifying. As we know that this question can be solved by separating and by writing it as minus a multiplied by iota whole raised to power 104. It can also be written as minus a raised to power 104 multiplied by iota raised to power 104. This can also be written as minus 1 multiplied by a raised to power 104 multiplied by iota raised to power 104. So it's very obvious and very clear that we can write it as we have mentioned. So what we are going to do here, we are separating again the powers. Means the power is same, so minus 1 raised to power 4 that here raised to power 104. So iota raised to power 104. Okay, now we know that the value of minus 1 raised to power even number is always a positive number, and we know that the value of minus 1 raised to power an odd number is always a minus 1. Okay, since here we have a minus 1 raised to power an even number, so in this case we can write it as plus 1. Okay, and the power of any number, the power of 1 is equal to 1. The power of 1 is always 1. Now a raised to power 104 dot iota raised to power 104. Now we have reached the final conclusion that a raised to power 104, since the multiplication of these two numbers is a raised to power 104 and iota raised to power 104. Okay, fine. Now what we are going to do, we have to solve only this term iota raised to power 104. This is the only term which we have to solve. Okay, so for that I need some space, and I have created some space by raising it. Now to solve this number, I am going to move here. So a raised to power 104 multiply iota raised to power 104. Now how to solve this number? To solve it, what I have to do, I have to use and simplify it, or by taking by making factors or LCM. 2 5 the 10, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 13 the, and 2 6 the, and 2 3 the, and 1 carry. Okay, and in this way, or I can solve it by this way, that 104 divided by 2 is equal to 2 5 the 10, and 2 to the 4. Okay, and this will give me a raised to power 104 that iota raised to power 2 whole raised to power 52. Okay, and in this way I can write it as a raised to power 104 that minus 1 raised to power, since we know that since minus 1 is equal to iota square. Okay, so 52, As I have earlier mentioned that minus 1 raised to power an even number is always a positive number. So this is equal to plus 1. This will give you a raised to power 104 and multiply by 1. This will give you a raised to power 104, which is the answer of our question.